The 2025 Kenworth W1250 Motorhome is redefining luxury on the road. And today on Honest Auto Wheels, we're diving into everything this beast has to offer. From its massive build to the plush interiors, this isn't just a motorhome. It's a high-end hotel suite on wheels. Let's start with the exterior. The W1250 commands attention with its rugged Kenworth truck front end and custom-built motorhome rear. It's built on a heavy-duty chassis that guarantees stability and durability on long hauls, no matter the terrain. The sleek chrome detailing, bold grille, and massive tires make this motorhome stand out wherever it goes. Under the hood, it packs a powerful Packer MX-13 engine, delivering impressive horsepower and torque to tow just about anything you want. A boat, a trailer, or even another car. Paired with a 12-speed automated transmission, it offers a smooth ride with plenty of power when you need it. Step inside, and you're met with next-level luxury. The 2025 W1250 isn't just about traveling. It's about traveling in style. The interior features high-end leather seating, polished wood accents, and state-of-the-art tech throughout. You'll find a full kitchen equipped with a refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave, and plenty of storage. The living area is spacious, with a recliner setup, a large smart TV, and premium sound system. It's the perfect space to unwind after a long day of driving. Moving toward the rear, the master bedroom feels like something out of a high-end apartment. Queen-sized bed, LED lighting, and underbed storage that adds to its practicality. And of course, the bathroom is nothing short of luxury either. A full-size shower, porcelain toilet, and vanity sink make it feel more like a hotel than a motorhome. On the road, the W1250 drives like a dream. Thanks to its adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and air ride suspension, long drives become comfortable and safe. Drivers also get a full digital dashboard, GPS navigation, and a 360-degree camera system for full awareness on the road. But with all these features, the W1250 does come with a hefty price tag, upwards of $500,000 depending on your customization. It's definitely not for the average camper, but for those seeking the ultimate road trip experience with no compromises, this motorhome is in a league of its own. That's it for today's review on Honest Auto Wheels. If you're into powerful machines, luxury travel, and cutting-edge features, the 2025 Kenworth W1250 Motorhome might just be your dream ride. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews from the world of wheels.